Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I'm Yulia as the leader of Group 5.
Hello, my name is Sandy Maiza.
My name is Fabian Anggara.
I am Ricardo Sinaga.
I'm Muhammad Davin Rizky.
My name is Given Sananda Shanturi.
So our project title is Web-Based Skincare Sales. We built a website to help skincare and can be accessed by sellers and buyers. This application is expected to increase the accessibility of skincare and increase customer satisfaction.
Next, project outputs that will be produced. There are report document, work logbook on CPBL application, ATS presentation video, and application front-end display. Next, project achievement to that percentage and software part credits. For report document is already 100%, indicating it's complete. Similarly, design stage such as use case mockups and etc. have also reached 100% completion. However, except for up front-end view, it's only at 50%, which is still in progress.
And now I will explain a bit about use case. There are three actors in our application. They are seller, buyer, and visitor. And there are also 11 flows which use extends and include, as you can see in this slide. And about the use case scenario, you can see in the document report.
I will explain about the activity diagrams whose function is to show the sequence of system activities, help understand the overall process, and describe the business process in more detail. This activities diagram involves several symbols, namely swim lane, initial state, activity, decision, join, final state, and transition. One example is login activity diagram. There are two actors, the namely is the user and the application. The diagram tell how the login step from opening the application to successfully logging in. For a more complete picture, it has been provided in the report.
The class diagram has five classes, namely user, product, cart transaction, and transaction history. In the diagram, it has three components. There are top component, middle component, and the bottom component. For user and products, they are connected in aggregation, and others have an association relationship.
ER diagram. There are six entities that is sellers, buyers, products, orders, transaction history, cart transaction. Each entity are connected by aggregation.
Here I will explain everything in the relation model. Firstly, in the user in the table, there are user ID, username, password, email, occupation, gender, date of birth, years, the phone address. The date one is the product table with contains product ID, name, description, stock, price, and max on the product. In the second basket table, there is a basket ID, product ID, price, number of stocks, number of products, and the total price. If the user went to transaction in this transaction, there is the transaction ID, order ID, product ID, user ID, basket ID, number of products, total transaction, type of payment, proof of payment, estimation time, completion date. Lastly, there is the transaction history table. In the table is ID transaction, ID product, product name, total price, payment type, order.
Mockup design is a complete representation of the final look of a website, while a wireframe helps us focus on the structure and layout without getting too distracted by the visual detail. The process of creating a mockup design starts with determining needs and ideas, followed by rough sketching, and wireframe creation starts with the page structure and basic outline. Here we design mockup and wireframes using the Figma application. This is how our design will be implemented through the front-end team. This is overview of our design.
Logbook and output. In the first week, Group 5 chaired by Yulia Pipka with the title of Web-Based Skincare Sales with 3%. In the second week, we made lesson plan and project plan format with 3%. In the third week, we made system design, use case, and ER diagram with 2%. In the fourth week, we made revised use case and ERD, class diagram, and activity diagram with 4%. In the fifth week, we made mock-up application with 4%. In the sixth week, we made prototype with 4%. In the seventh week, ATS report and buyer from end and view with 4%.
There are some obstacles in completing the project, like we got lack of time. What I mean is, we have our thing to do, so it's difficult to have a time together for completing the project. Also, we've got lack of cooperation, lack of communication, and difficulties in implementation.
I'm Yulia have done a test report, logbook, use case, class activity diagram, relational model, ER diagram, mock-up prototype, and buyer front end.
I made a mock-up design, a prototype design, logbook, and ATS report.
I contributed to creating PowerPoints for presentations, prototypes, and buyer front ends.
And my contribution to group work is I'm building the seller front end view.
And my contribution is editor video ATS.
For the next plan, we will implement our backend to front end. In the form of user login, user registration, forget password, category, user review, rating, order detail, slider, and testimony.
Due to time constraint, there's not much we can say. Thank you to all lecturers to taken part in teaching us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is the front end view that we have completed. For more details, we provide a GitHub link on the drive list in the report.